Hi there, I'm Marcus, your local realtor, and today we're going behind the scenes at Savalio & Co. Real Estate to share with you our selling secrets, and you're going to walk away with some insider knowledge and strategies that we use every day to sell homes successfully. Let's dive in. In this digital age, targeted advertising is key. Most agents will leverage various channels like social media, the MLS, and popular online websites to reach potential buyers. But here's the secret. You could use a come find me advertising strategy, or you could do what we do and implement an I'll find you strategy that uses precise targeting to search out potential buyers and meet them where they are online using paid ads. But it doesn't stop there. We also employ a video-first marketing strategy to create a buzz around your property that also includes eye-catching virtual tours and engaging property descriptions. This creates a compelling narrative that captures the imagination of potential buyers. My name's Marcus with Savalio & Co. Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below on what other realtor secrets we should share next.